There's a special satisfaction that comes from tackling home improvement projects yourself. It's not just about saving money, though that's a nice bonus. It's about the pride of looking at your work and saying, I did that. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting, there's always something new to learn, a new skill to master, and a new project to bring your vision to life. In this video, we're going to walk through some essential tips and tricks for common home improvement projects. We'll cover the basics, from the must-have tools to simple projects perfect for beginners. So grab your tool belt, and let's get started. Before we dive into any projects, let's talk tools. Having the right tools can make all the difference between a frustrating experience and a successful one. Just like a carpenter needs his saw, you need a reliable set of tools to tackle those home improvement tasks. Think of it as building your own toolkit of essentials that will serve you for years to come. Don't worry, I'm not talking about outfitting a whole workshop here. You don't need to break the bank or fill your garage with every tool imaginable. A basic toolkit will do the trick for most beginners. Start small and build your collection as you take on more projects and gain confidence. First up, a good old hammer. It's a versatile tool that you'll find yourself reaching for time and time again. From hanging pictures to tapping in loose nails, you'll be surprised how often you reach for this one. It's a staple in any toolkit. Next, a set of screwdrivers, both Phillips and flathead. Because screws are everywhere in home construction, these will be your go-to for assembling furniture, fixing appliances, and more. And don't forget a tape measure. It's essential for getting accurate measurements, which are crucial for any project, big or small. Accurate measurements ensure that everything fits together perfectly, saving you time and frustration in the long run. Now, for a bit more power, an electric drill is your best friend. It's not just for driving screws, it can also drill holes in various materials, making it incredibly versatile. It'll make driving screws a breeze and come in handy for drilling pilot holes. Plus, many drills come with interchangeable bits for different tasks. A sharp utility knife is essential for everything from opening boxes to scoring drywall. It's a simple tool, but one you'll find countless uses for. And finally, a level will be your guide to keeping things straight and true. Whether you're hanging shelves or installing cabinets, a level ensures your work is perfectly aligned. With these basic tools in your arsenal, you'll be well equipped to tackle a wide range of DIY projects around the house. Start with these essentials, and you'll be ready to take on anything that comes your way. Now that you've got your tools ready, let's talk projects. For those just starting, it's best to begin with something simple and rewarding. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for any room. Don't underestimate the power of a new color to completely transform a space. Plus, painting is a great way to get comfortable with basic DIY techniques. Another easy win is fixing leaky faucets. It's amazing how such a small issue can be such a nuisance. With a few basic plumbing tools and a little patience, you can stop that annoying drip and save water too. Installing shelves is another great beginner project. It's a practical way to add storage space and personalize your home. And if you're looking for an instant upgrade, try updating your light fixtures. Swapping out an old, outdated fixture for something new can dramatically improve the look and feel of a room. Remember, start small, build your confidence, and enjoy the process. We've talked about the transformative power of paint, but before you pick up a brush, let's talk about wall preparation. Proper preparation is the key to achieving a professional-looking finish that will last for years. A smooth, flawless paint job starts with a well-prepped surface. This means taking the time to ensure your walls are in the best possible condition before you begin painting. First things first, inspect your walls for any cracks, holes, or imperfections. These can be caused by a variety of factors, including settling of the house, moisture, or previous damage. These need to be patched and sanded smooth before you even think about paint. Use a good quality filler to patch holes and cracks and make sure to sand the area until it's perfectly smooth. Trust me, a little time spent on prep work will make a world of difference in the final result. It might seem tedious, but it's worth it for that flawless finish. Once your walls are smooth and even, it's time for primer. Primer is essential as it creates a uniform surface for the paint to adhere to. Primer acts as a base coat, helping the paint adhere better and providing a more uniform finish. It also helps to cover up any remaining imperfections and ensures that the true color of your paint shines through. Don't skip this step, especially if you're painting over dark colors or dealing with porous surfaces. Primer can make a significant difference in the final appearance of your paint job. Now for the fun part, applying the paint. This is where all your hard work pays off. Use quality brushes and rollers for a smoother finish, and to avoid those pesky brush strokes. Investing in good tools can save you a lot of frustration and give you a more professional result. And remember, multiple thin coats are always better than one thick coat. This helps to avoid drips and ensures an even coverage. Let each coat dry completely before applying the next for a professional-looking result. Patience is key here. Rushing the process can lead to a less than perfect finish. Chapter 4. Underfoot Upgrade Flooring Fundamentals. Ready to tackle a slightly bigger project? Upgrading your flooring can be a rewarding and transformative experience for any home improvement enthusiast. Replacing old, worn-out flooring can breathe new life into your home. It not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also increases the value of your property. While it might seem daunting, installing new flooring is more manageable than you might think. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can achieve professional-looking results. Let's start with tile removal. This is the first step in preparing your space for a fresh new look. If you're dealing with existing tile, you'll need to remove it carefully before installing anything new. This ensures a smooth and even surface for your new flooring. A hammer and chisel, along with some elbow grease, will do the trick. Take your time to avoid damaging the subfloor. Once the old tile is gone, make sure the subfloor is clean, level, and free of any debris. This step is crucial for the longevity and appearance of your new flooring. Now let's talk about laminate flooring. It's a versatile and practical choice for many homeowners. Laminate is a popular choice for DIYers because it's relatively easy to install and more budget-friendly than some other options. Plus, it mimics the look of more expensive materials. It comes in a variety of styles and colors to match any decor. Whether you prefer a classic wood look or something more modern, there's a laminate option for you. Installing laminate is like putting together a giant puzzle. The pieces snap together easily, making the process straightforward. You'll need to measure carefully, make precise cuts, and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Proper preparation and attention to detail are key, but with a little patience, you'll have a brand new floor in no time. The satisfaction of completing the project yourself is unmatched, and you'll enjoy the results for years to come. Chapter 5. Upcycling Magic, Giving Furniture a Second Life. Before you haul that old dresser to the curb, consider giving it a new lease on life with a little upcycling. Upcycling is all about transforming unwanted items into unique and functional pieces. It's a great way to reduce waste, save money, and add a personal touch to your home decor. One of the easiest ways to upcycle furniture is with a fresh coat of paint or stain. A little sanding and a new finish can work wonders on tired-looking pieces. If you're feeling more adventurous, try reupholstering chairs or sofas. It's a more involved project, but the results can be stunning. You can choose fabrics that match your style and create truly one-of-a-kind pieces. Don't forget about those old cabinets and dressers. With a little creativity, you can turn them into charming storage units, bookshelves, or even kitchen islands. Chapter 6. Bathroom Bliss, Small Changes, Big Impact. You don't need a complete overhaul to give your bathroom a fresh new look. A few simple upgrades can make a world of difference. One of the easiest and most effective changes you can make is updating your shower head. A new shower head can improve water pressure, add a touch of luxury, and even conserve water. Next up, consider replacing those old, outdated faucets. New faucets can instantly modernize your bathroom and improve functionality. Look for styles that complement your existing fixtures or go bold with a statement piece. And don't underestimate the power of new cabinet hardware. Swapping out old knobs and pulls for something fresh and modern can completely transform the look of your cabinets without breaking the bank. Chapter 7. Safety First, Protecting Yourself During DIY. Before you start any DIY project, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Remember, even seemingly simple tasks can pose risks if you're not careful. First and foremost, always wear appropriate safety gear. This includes eye protection, gloves, and hearing protection when using power tools. It's also a good idea to wear a dust mask when sanding or working with materials that produce fine particles. Before using any tool, take the time to read the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Understand how the tool works, its limitations, and any potential hazards. And never ever disable safety features on power tools. Finally, maintain a clean and organized workspace. Clutter can lead to accidents, so keep your work area free of debris, tools, and materials that could cause trips or falls. Chapter 8, DIY Inspiration, the online resource guide. Feeling inspired and ready to tackle more projects? The internet is a treasure trove of information and inspiration for DIY enthusiasts of all levels. One of my favorite resources is YouTube. There are countless channels dedicated to home improvement, with detailed video tutorials on just about every project imaginable. You can find step-by-step instructions, product reviews, and expert advice all in one place. For visual inspiration, look no further than Pinterest. Create boards dedicated to your favorite DIY projects, gather ideas, and explore different styles and techniques. It's a great way to visualize your own projects and find creative solutions. And when you need advice or want to connect with fellow DIYers, online forums are a valuable resource. Reddit's r/DIY is a particularly active community where users share their projects, ask for help, and offer encouragement. Outro: embrace the DIY spirit. As we wrap up our DIY journey, remember that home improvement is an ongoing process. There's always something to improve, update, or personalize in your living space. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and most importantly, have fun along the way. With a little effort and a willingness to learn, you can transform your house into a home that reflects your style and meets your needs. Please leave a comment about your next project. We will try to assist you in our next videos. Thank you for watching.